I have done masters in homeopathy. So this course will be helpful in the counseling and practice. So I joined this course in family therapy and counseling. Thank you.
Hello, am I audible, sir? I'm
Hello.
Srishti Thakur.
You are audible.
I have done graduation in BSc with subject physics, maths, and statistics. Now I have applied for post graduation in applied statistics because I am changing my career into data scientist. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello,
Thank you.
good- myself Mona Mishra. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
You are audible.
Mm, Okay. Myself Mona Mishra. I am just interested in social work counseling. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Myself,
Hello.
Dr. Raghavendra. I'm a
Hmm.
scientist at Central Institute for Cotton Research. Uh, in biotechnology, I completed my PhD in biotechnology. I want to upgrade my knowledge on IPR related. So for that reason, PG diploma IPR I have registered, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Fine. Any more?
Good morning, sir.
Good
I'm
morning.
Ishtiaq Khan from Chandrapur.
Hmm.
I'm presently working as a teacher, and I've enrolled for postgraduate diploma in school leadership and management. Thank you.
Fine, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Purvi Shah. I am an electronics and telecommunication engineer. Right now, I am working in IPR department in a company, and I am trying to get into management. So I am applying for this course, PGTY.
Okay, fine.
Good morning. This is Dr. Pooja Talati from Pune. I'm MD homeopath and I've been practicing from 7 years. I want to update myself in terms of psychology. Hence, I've registered for post-graduation diploma in counseling and family therapy.
Okay, madam. Fine.
Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
I'm Shubhangi Khaparkar. Working as a teacher from last 17 years, and I have registered myself for post-graduation diploma in school leadership and management.
Fine.
Hello, good morning, sir. Myself Avidha Moon from Nagpur. I have done my
Good
graduation in
morning.
architecture from Nagpur University. Currently completing my MH in urban design from Pune University, and also handling my personal architectural projects in Nagpur itself.
Hmm. Which program you have done?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Hello.
This is
Ah,
this is Jay Shri. Sir, I have registered for postgraduate diploma in counseling, marital and child counseling. I'm currently working as a lecturer
fine.
in nursing college. Completed my masters.
Okay, fine.
Good morning, sir. I am Sonali Mardikar from Nagpur, and I have done my master's in literature, English literature, and I have applied for PGD in journalism and mass communication. Thank you.
Fine. Fine.
Hello sir, hello everyone. Myself Sadhna Tumram. I am from Nagpur. I am completed my graduation in botany group and I am applying
Hmm.
for diploma course environmental and occupational health.
Fine. Any more? Otherwise, we will start.
Good morning, sir. Myself Kuldeep Maurkar. I have done my master's in
Good.
social work and I
Hello
have
everyone.
applied for
My name is Vikas
post-graduation
Tool.
diploma in rural
I
development.
completed my graduation.
Okay. Thank you. Fine. Vikas Boli.
Hello everyone. My name is Vikas Tool. I completed my graduation in a fire engineering in 2020. Currently, I am working in a fire officer in Aditya Birla Group, and I am taken admission in a post graduation diploma in disaster management. So, thank you so much.
Fine, sir.
fine.
Hello, sir. Myself, Kishan, sir.
Kishan,
Hello,
बोलिए.
I have completed my BSc in chemistry and currently pursuing MSc in environmental science. Also, I have completed fire safety and risk assessment from British Safety Council, and I have completed IOSH managing safely. Also, I have completed NIBOSH IGC. Currently pursuing MSc from IGNOU.
Okay, fine.
Venkateshwar sir, you please continue, sir.
Okay. RD sir is available. Sir. Meeting lo unna. Okay. Friends, good morning. Myself, Dr. Venkateshwarlu, Assistant Regional Director, Regional Center Nagpur. So, on behalf of Regional Center and my own behalf of, so I would like to congratulate each and every participant for getting admission into IGNOU. So, IGNOU is one of the mega university throughout the world. So, recently we have got NAC A double plus grade. So in our India, only 5 to 6 universities are got the A double plus grade. So we have nearly 1,000 universities. So for that, we have got the A double plus grade by NAC. So that is the quality of IGNOU. So IGNOU provides world-class material to you. So it was started in 1985 with initiations of Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, late Prime Minister. So on his mother's name, Srimati Indira Gandhi. So at that time, we have started 2 diplomas. One is postgraduate diploma in distance education, and another one is mathematics diploma with 600 learners, nearly 4 million. So already they have the awards. So IGNOU is promoted distance education. So nearly 238 programs are offered for 2 cycles of admissions. One is January cycle and another one is July session. You already joined in. So according to that, we have nearly 67.
There is disturbance in noise.
Sir, don't disturb to me. So, do you have any doubts? Please ask at the time of ending. So, at the time of ending, we can open for the discussion. So, we try to clarify your doubts. What are the doubts with you? Then we will clarify each and every participant doubt. Then we will conclude. That is the process. So, I try to complete my talk, and my regional director and my colleague Dr. Shesh Kumar and other friends also wanted to speak. Then only the induction meeting will be fruitful. Kindly wait some time so we can say everything. After that, we will open for the discussion for this session. So you try to ask your doubts. Okay. So IGNOU We have nearly 45 branches in abroad. So we are promoting 238 programs from certificate to PhD, certificate, diploma, PG diploma, and bachelor's degrees and master degrees and MPhil, PhD. These are the programs. We have 21 schools. So according to that, we try to provide good quality of education at your doorstep. So IGNOU try to quality education at your doorstep. So world-class material we try to provide to each and every participant. So not participant who got the admissions, they will ready to get it by speed post. IGNOU is have the one division, MPDD, material production distribution division. So according to that, the division will distribute it among the learners. So once again, I am congratulating each and every participant, and I would like to request our regional director, Dr. P. Sivasarup sir, please speak about induction meeting. Then after we will continue. Sir, are you available? So I request our colleague Dr. Shish Kumar, please speak about induction meeting, sir. RD sir is not available, so you can speak, sir. Shish Kumar, sir, available? Hello, friends. Dr. Shish Kumar is available. Dr. Shish Kumar, sir. Sir, join ayyara? Sir, PG diploma holders. Okay. So our RD sir is ready to join. So then we will continue. So I want to discuss about some important aspects. So one is admissions, another one is assignments, study material, and term examinations, and after that, so important rules and regulations of IGNOU, and some important tasks you need to complete. Then only you will complete your program within a minimum duration. According to admissions, you have got the admissions in July cycle. So July cycle is started in the month of May. So this July cycle admissions continue up to 30th November. So it may be extended or not. 1 second. Okay. I'm audible. Anyone say reply.
Yes.
I am audible.
Yes, sir. You're. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Audible, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine,
sir.
fine. So ignore. We have 2 cycles of admissions. One is January cycle and another one is July cycle. So according to July cycle, you have got the admission into IGNOU. So you have choose the right path and right direction for your education. So IGNOU, one of the mega university in the world. So we have provided world-class material to you. So many civil services aspirants are referred our material. So for that, we have invited renowned scholars, renowned professors throughout the India. So they wanted to come and prepare the material. That material will be submitted to the school. The schools have the editorial board. So the editorial board will be edited nearly 5 to 6 times. After that, the material will be sent to the language experts. After that, the language experts ready to remove the hard copies, hard words of the content, and they wanted to incorporate some easy words, easily understood words. So they try to simplify. After that, the entire material will goes to the printer. The printer ready to print, and they wanted to remove default papers. Some papers maybe some pages may be double printing and some pages in print and some papers pages off print. So they wanted to remove that default papers. After that, they tried to printing and it will be binded and out to the register MPDD. Already I was explained. MPDD means material protection and distribution. Distributed that material among the learners to their postal address. What are the address given in your application? Then the address will be reached by our material speed post, and some alternative method is available. Who are ready to opt the soft copy of material, they will get the 50% concession or rebate. So for example, your program fees is 10,000. So you will opt the soft copy of material. That soft copy of material will available through our IGNAN course. So they will provide the link. Star MPDD will provide the link for opting soft copy of material. So they will automatically get the 15% rebate or concession. According to that, 1500 discount will be given to the learner. So that option is available. So some of the learners may be opted soft copy of material. That soft copy of material is available in e-Gyankosh, and another option is IGNOU e-Contents mobile app is available. Just you need to open your mobile. After that, you select the Play Store. After that, you need to type IGNOU e-Contents. Then after the app is downloaded, and after that you need to enter your personal details. All the participants are requested to please go for the, otherwise it is problematic. So some disturbance is coming from. So kindly go to the mute, then only our voice will be clear. So according to that, you try to get it the material. So some of the learners opted hard copy of material. So the hard copy of material will be posted by our IGNOU headquarters to your postal address. So some of the learners maybe got the material, and some of the learners ready to reach the material. So it may be taken some time. So due to heavy admissions and pandemic situation also taking place, that is the content. So it will be reached within 15 days or 20 days or 1 month, whatever it is. According to that, you need not wait for the material. Just you can open the IGNOU course. After that, you can enter your enrollment number and program and your personal details also. After that, you can open the program. Then only you can download the material, and you can save in one particular folder. After that, you can try to read out that material. So after receiving of hard copy of material, that material will be opened by you. Then you need to read out thoroughly. Don't keep in Almara or Atka or any other place. Just you can try to open it, and after that you open and you can read out thoroughly. So the hard copy of material is have 2 margins for each page. So according to that, you need to make notes. So one side you can utilize your doubts. What are the doubts in the para or page? Then you can make some side. You can put up your doubts, and another side you need to give the notes. What are the important topics discussed in the para or page, and you can make the notes one by one, and what is the gist given in the para or page. You can make the notes, and that is very much helpful for preparation of assignment as well as term and examinations. So this type of reading is very useful for preparation of assignments and term and examinations also. You need not study second and third time. So once you prepare well, automatically you can clarify your doubts within the counselor or your coordinator or your colleagues. Then only it is very much useful. What are the doubts raised by you, that is clarified by the counselor at the time of counseling. So they try to remove your doubts, and automatically all the learners will be interact with them, and they will also know about the doubts and what are the importance, and after that they will remember. So this is the one side doubts, and second side you may prepare the notes or gist or entire idea of that particular para or page, then it should be make a note one by one and point wise you need to mention in that. That is very much helpful for preparation of assignment as well as government examinations also. The assignment component is very important. So 30% of weightage, 30% of weightage given to the assignments and 70% weightage will be given to the government examinations. 30 out of 30 marks you may get it. That is not a big issue. So you need not copy from the material. Just you try to make it your responses or answers in your own sentence or in your own words. Then only you will get 30 out of 30 marks. You need not copy from the material or any other internet material, or you need not copy from your colleagues also. So the evaluator is very clever, and they try to see your assignments, and they easily judge. After that they will give the 0 marks. So if you copy from others or material or any other internet, automatically they will know about the situation and they will observe. After that they will give the 0 marks. So that is the disadvantage of copying. So you need to make the notes after that. That is useful for preparation of assignments. What are the gist or what are the points you may covered in the page or para, that is each and every aspect I need to explain. That is not a big issue. You need not worry about that. And important tasks, important dates, important rules and regulations, everything I will discuss. Just you can listen first, then after you try to ask your doubts, we will try to clarify. That is not a big issue. So please wait. This assignment is very important. So assignment is very essential. Every learner need to submit their assignments each and every course. What are the courses you have opted for the program? That program have some courses. Each and every courses you need to prepare the assignments and you need to submit the assignments in time-bound manner at your study center. So what is the time-bound? So need to submit their assignments in the month of March 1st to March 3rd last date for July session learners. So PG diploma is a year-wise program. You need not go for the re-registration. Just you need to complete your assignments and submit it at your study center in the month of March 1st to March 31st for 2022. So that is the deadline. You need to complete it and you can submit it. So that is the time-bound manner. So then after, you need to prepare your term examinations. For that purpose, you need to fill the online application for term examinations. So at the time of March 1st to March 31st without late fee. So that is the deadline for the submission of online application for term examinations. So the July session learners for PG diploma, they are eligible for appearing the term examinations coming June. Coming June means 22 June. That is the your term examinations. So for that purpose, you need to fill the online application in the term examination. The term examinations you need to appear in June, then only you need to submit the assignments on or before 31st March and also you need to fill the application, online application. There is no offline application. You need to fill the online application with payment of 200 rupees for each course. How many courses with you in the program? Just you can multiply with 200 and courses. Then after the total amount will be coming. After that, you need to pay the payment gateways. That payment gateways is only three. One is internet banking, and another one is credit card, and third one is debit card. So according to that, you need to pay the online payment. After that, you need to submit the application. Then you need to get the hall ticket for the examinations of June 22. So your examinations will be taken in June 22. So according to that, we have not sent any hall ticket to the learners. Just you need to open the IGNOU website. After that, the hall ticket link is available. Then you need to click on that. After that, you need to enter your program code. After that, enter the enrollment number. Then you need to download it. So IGNOU identity card, sometimes it may be provided with a photo, sometimes it may not be provided. For that purpose, you need to download your hall ticket as well as your identity card. So first of all, the admission process you may complete it, and you need to check your name with the spelling. After that, you need to check up what are the courses opted by you. That is also very important. Then your father's name and your custodian name or guardian name, whatever may be. So each and every aspect you need to check up. Then only the identity card will be created. Is there any mistakes? Just you can send one request email to us. That is rcnagpur@ignou.ac.in. If you have any doubts, please send the mail. Then after that, we will give the clarification, and we will remove the discrepancies. After that, within 1 or 2 days, you will get it reply through mail. So that is the reason you need to note the rcnagpur@ignou.ac.in. That is our mail ID. That mail ID you need to send it. After that, we will so we try to frequencies or what are the issues with you, then we try to remove it, and we will give the good reply to you within 1 or 2 days. That is not a big issue. After that, you need to download your identity card also. So that is very much important. At the time of examinations, you need to bring your identity card. Without identity card, no one right to allow the examination hall also. So that is very, very important. You need to download it. If it is not possible with you, then you can send one request mail to us, rcnagpur@ignou.ac.in. Then we will download your hall ticket, download your identity card. After that, we will attach with the mail, and you need to get it, and you can take the print. After that, you can go for the binding. Then that is very much useful for term examinations and other alternative activities. So IGNOU identity card is very, very important. So hall ticket also very, very important. You need to bring these two items at the time of examination. Then only your candidature will be allowed in the examination stalls. Otherwise, it is very problematic. This is the examinations. So after that, you complete this task in the month of March. for filling of your online term and examination application. So then only you will get the hall ticket and you need to appear the term and examinations. After that, you will appear the term and examination in anywhere of India. So that is one of the unique feature you try to utilize. At the time of examinations, you have any emergency work in different parts of India. So according to that, you need to ask the permission for appearing the term examination in particular area, particular location. So you need to ask the permission for appearing the term examination in particular locality or area. So we have nearly 67 regional centers throughout India. So each and every location comes under these 67 regional centers. So according to that, you need to attend your personal work in Delhi or Chennai or Bangalore or any other place throughout India. Then you need, please, you need to ask the permission to appear the term and examinations in particular locality. The regional center will take the initiations and they will search your examination course paper, and if the question paper is available, the regional center, then automatically they will allow the term and examinations in particular area or location wherever it is. Wherever it is means within India, not more than that. So in abroad, their timings are very different. So we are unable to provide the opportunity to you in abroad. So within India, you need to apply and you need to appear the term and examination in anywhere of India. So that unique feature is also available. You need to utilize. If any emergency, you go for the term and examinations in different parts of India, then they will accepted your candidature as stray cases. So one or two exams you may appear in particular area. No need of changing regional center as well as your examination center. That is one of the unique feature you can utilize. After that, practical exams. The practical sessions also available study centers. The two offline or online, whatever it is. So in the pandemic situation, we have provided online counseling sessions, not offline counseling sessions. Just you need to get it the online link. For that, you need to appear the practical sessions and you need to interact with them. Then only your practice will be done. After that, you need to appear the practical examinations also. The practical exams in the month of January and July also. So after completion of your term examinations, the taken place. So that will be conducted in your study center soon. So the study center people will conduct practicals and practical exams in the particular study centers only. Sometimes what happened last session and before last session, we have conducted only online mode of practice. So online means they will provide the link to you for appearing the practical sessions. So after completion of your practical sessions, then they will conduct the practical exams also. So that is available through your study center. Sometimes what on mode of practical exams will be conducted. Last session only online mode of practical exam. That is you need not worry about that. Just you can contact with the study centers. The study center have the coordinator and assistant coordinator, some other part-time staff in the study centers. So you need to interact with them. Then they will try to provide all the guidelines, all the instructions to you. Then they will provide each and every part. After that, you need to follow the instructions. Then you can complete your program within a minimum duration. So IGNOU is have the 2 durations for each and every program. For certificate to PhD, we have the programs. So for certificate programs, minimum duration is 6 months and maximum duration is 2 years. For diploma, 1 year minimum duration and 3 years postgraduate diploma also 3 years maximum duration and 1 year is the minimum duration. Some programs may be 4 years. So according to that, you need to follow the program guide. After that, you need to see all the guidelines and all the instructions for the practical examinations as well as your terminal examinations. Each and every aspect have the instructions and guidelines you need to follow. Then only your program will be success. So within minimum duration you need to complete. Then only your aim will be success. So don't go for the maximum duration. Just you need to complete your program within a minimum duration. Then your aim will be success. So you need not worry about the maximum duration. Just you complete it, you will get the opportunities also. So that is the practical exams and terminal exams. So according to that, you need to follow all the instructions. So I will stop here. Then after I will request our colleague Dr. Shishkumar, please speak about the induction meeting. After that, our RD also try to speak.
Very good morning, y'all. Thank you, sir. Thank you for arranging this induction meeting to the PG Diploma Program students, and I also thank our Region Director. At the outset, let me congratulate each one of you for choosing IGNOU for your studies, like for your PG Diploma programs. Venkat sir has been informed you all about your programs, how to be pursue their program there in the distance education. Yes, the purpose of this meeting is to be make you to be understand that how you have to pursue a program there in the induction and like in the distance education. Generally, you might be having experiences over there in the conventional universities. You might be a first time learner there in the distance education. So that was the reason. That we have been conducting a induction meeting to the learners who are joining for the program there in the first time there in the university, and we also wants to be make you to understand that what are the technical jargons which is there in the distance education. Yes, he was been telling you all that. Sarah has been telling you that what is the things like program we call as what are the degrees have been joined for the joined like that we call as a program over here. Might be PG diploma and some program will be having everything for you will be having a program code. So, for example, someone will be joined for a PGD IPR, intellectual property rights. They join for intellectual property rights. Your program code will be PGD IPR. So, like that, you will be having for every program which you joined, there will be a program code. Please be that is program, and then you will be having also a subjects in the conventional universities, whereas in the in the IGNOU we used to call it as a course code. Okay. Courses will be there. Okay, you will be having 3 or 4 courses. So each course will be having a course code. And you all might be received your ID card. In case if you are not received your ID card, if you are not downloaded your ID card, what you can be do? Please, whatever I met took 2-3 minutes. After that, we can whatever doubts which you have, we can clarify it. Those who raised your hand, definitely your questions will be clarified. Let me take 2-3 minutes to be summarize it from my side, and then just go for a question and answers, like whatever interactive we can be have it. We may have it later. Okay, yeah, and you might be received your ID card, and you also might be received a study material. In case if you are not received a study material, please send a mail to registrar MPDD @ignou.ac.in and put a copy to RC Nagpur. Therefore, it comes to know that the learner is not received study material. We'll also forward from here to Delhi to get the material for you. That is one thing you have to do it immediately. And also, please check your name over there in the registration details. You have to go to the IGNOU website and find your registration details there. And then if your name has been given over there as wrong, you can be send a mail to us to RC Nagpur with the supporting documents to change your name. You can also see your surname and then name. If any corrections to be carried out, you can send a mail to us. We will rectify. We will correct that name over there in the registration. That is also one thing, important thing. And then yes, you are supposed to submit the assignment. That is one mandatory component over there in your studies. So for each course, for each subject, you have to submit one assignment. The assignment question paper will be available there on the IGNOU website, that you can be download your assignment question from the IGNOU website and start write your assignment responses. And second thing, you will be having a counseling session also. So counseling session is nothing but the classes. You will be having a classes like that will be called as a counseling session. Generally here in the distance education, you will not be having a classroom teaching like whatever is there in the conventional universities. Generally the teachers will come and teach you. Whereas here, there will not be a regular classroom teaching, will not be there. You have to study on your own, and whatever doubt which you have while going through study materials, you have to note down the questions which it comes to you, and then that has to be clarified during your counseling sessions. And the counselors try to be within this prescribed counseling sessions. The counselors will try to be cover the entire content of your curriculum. That is, we call it as counseling sessions. And the academic counselor will be the faculty members of the reputed institutions. They will be taking the classes to you. And for some PG diploma programs, there is a project work. If you have a project work, you please download the project. For some program, there is a project work. Hope I am audible now. Yes, I am audible. Is it
you are audible, sir.
Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry. So what if you have a project work there in your program, like what you can do, you can download the project. You can just go check the course code of the project course, and you can go to the eGyan course. There you can download the project manual of the particular course. So once you go through the project manual, comes to know what you have to do. Like, are there any synapses to be submitted for the project or not? That will be given over there. So if it is mentioned that you have to submit a synopsis, and who will be your supervisor also given over there in the project manual, please see that one. Generally, the academic counselor will be your project supervisor. In case academic counselor is not available, you are not able to contact your academic counselor, which is not available there at your hometown or not there near to your in the study center. What you can do, you can find the faculty members on your own from your nearby areas. Whereas if you are selecting the guide as your on your own, you have to be send the profile biota along with the synopsis to the school or wherever it is mentioned over there to be submit your synopsis. So there you have to send the synopsis and get the approval of the synopsis. So once you got the approval for the project synopsis, and then you have to start your project work and complete the project work and send the project report where it is mentioned. Like if it is mentioned to a student evaluation division, you have to send it to the student evaluation division, or if it is mentioned to be submitted to the regional center, you have to submit at the regional center. Only these two places will be there, either to the student evaluation division or to the regional center. Please be check your project manual. it is given over there. Like that is one thing you have to do it. And by next March 2022, you have to be submit your assignment at the study center. All the assignments will be submitted at the study center, and then you have to apply for the examination there in the month of March. Okay, for your June examination, the examination will be there in the month of June 2022. For which you have to be applied there in the month of March and appear for the examination there in the month of June. So this is all about the program, and you be in touch with your study center, whichever study center is allotted to you. Be in touch with the study center. There might be a faculty members to be guide you. Take the academic support from the academic counselor of the study center, and then if you need any administrative support from the regional center, you may also contact the regional center. We will help you. Thank you, and now we can be open the session for the questions.
Sir. One second.
Whatever doubts you have,
Sir. 1 second. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Now I request.
Thank you.
Now I request our regional director, please speak a few words about the. You can talk to the induction meeting. Our learners are waiting, sir.
Good noon to all the friends. Welcome all the student friends to this induction meeting. And you have heard in detail about IGNOU and how you can study through Dr. Venkateshwarlu and Dr. Shashi Kumar. We are here to support your studies, whatever you need. One advice is be in touch with the IGNOU website so that you can get all the latest updates on the website. And also join our Facebook sessions on Sunday evening. So every Sunday 5 p.m. we have a live Facebook live session on RC Nagpur website, Facebook session. Please join us. So, as you have heard everything, and we have, I think, Dr. Siddiqui also with us. He can also speak. So, Dr. Venkateshwarlu, please carry on and give students also to express their views. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, sir. So, Dr. Siddiqui Madam already joined. I request Dr. Siddiqui Madam some of the programs related to science. The Institute of Science is one of the study center. So, Dr. Nakli Siddiqui Madam, coordinator at that. So, I request Nakli Madam, please speak about the induction meeting. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
I am at present working as a coordinator at Institute of Science. Those who have taken admission for postgraduate diploma in analytical chemistry, they can contact me anytime. I think the group is also prepared, and you are all present in the group. If anybody is not present in the group, please send your numbers so that we can add your name in the group. Okay. So postgraduate diploma in analytical chemistry is a 1-year diploma that you all know. It is having 4 subjects, MCH 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 of them are theory papers and 4 of them are the practicals. Because of COVID, we have yet to start with the practicals. Practicals are not yet started in the college. Therefore, it is not. Therefore, I don't know what scenario is going to be there for taking the practicals. But for theory, we are going to definitely. We have prepared a schedule for the theory counseling. And soon it will be sent to RC, and that can be displayed, and then you can join the online counseling sessions for the program for all the 4 theory papers. Okay, so practicals, I will not give you much detail about that, because unless and until it is decided to take the offline practicals, I am not supposed to give you the instructions that you may come to the practical or not, because it is yet to be decided. But theory, definitely you are having. If any problem is there, you can contact us. If anybody wants to ask something, then I am free to give the answers.
Okay, madam. Thank you very much.
The
session is okay, madam. Thank you, madam, for giving a brief introduction yourself and your programs. So, thank you very much, madam. So the session is
Thank you.
open for the discussion. What are the doubts with you? Then you can raise your doubts. We try to clarify each and every participant's doubt. Please go for the one by one, and you try to open your mic. After that, you try to speak loudly. Then we try to clarify your doubts. What are the doubts with you? Then we clarify. Please.
Thank you. Sir, I have
Thank you,
few
madam.
doubts.
Boli.
Sir, I am taken admission for a 1 year course of the PGDOM, Operational Management. So I have done this since you have mentioned that to submit in March 20. But I contacted the study center and then they mentioned that since it is your semester pattern, PGDOM is a semester pattern, so you need to submit the assignment of the first semester till November 2021. So, like,
Yes,
is it
madam.
correct? Do I need, because I have already submitted assignment for 2 subjects of first semester.
Okay, madam. So PGDOH is the semester-based programs. What are the semester-based programs in our IGNOU? You need to submit your assignments at your study centers. So on or before 31st December. Yesterday we have received one mail from the IGNOU headquarters. The SCD registrar already sent to us that mail. So that mail is referring the last date. The 31st December is the last date. It was extended. Kindly follow the guidelines. Within the 31st December, you need to submit your assignments in your study center by person or by speed post, then only or register post, then only you will get the acknowledgement. If there is any problem in future, so your assignment may be submitted by you, so the coordinator will not receive. So at that time, the acknowledgement is very much helpful for getting your marks. So that is the reason you need to send only speed post or register post, or you can submit your assignments by person. So you can send it through person only. Then they will provide the acknowledgement slip. After that, you can keep that acknowledgement slip in your website. Then only your assignments will be evaluated. After that, within 45 days, they may be evaluated and they will enter the marks in the link. The link will be open for the entering. So after that, the SAD registrar will update your assignment marks in the grade card. That is the procedure.
Okay, so sir, where we can see that assignment marks?
Slips are
Okay, or sir, you have mentioned.
So after submission of your assignment at study center, within 45 days they will evaluate it. After that, the mark will be updated in the grade card. After submission, you need to calculate the 45 days.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the exam date for semester pattern? Because you have mentioned for annual pattern exam date, which
So
is
the
March.
semester pattern exams are not conducted. Madam, 1 second. Okay, I'm agree with that. So the semester-wise exams are not conducted up to date. So you need to appear the government examination in coming June. So for that, you need to submit your online government examination application in the month of March 1st to March 31st is the last date without late fee. So with late fee, 1,000 rupees, it may be extended up to 15th April or 30th April. That is not a big issue. So you don't go for the late fee. Just you will fill the online government examination application in the month of December. Okay. So that is the
Okay.
December exams. For December exams, you need to complete that. So for June session, you need to submit your assignments in the month of March, as well as you will fill the terminal examination application in the month of March. Generally, what happened? The PG diploma semester-based programs. Some of the programs are year-wise programs. So till today, we have not conducted any semester-based exams. So they will also appear the terminal examinations in June. So your session is July. Your terminal examination in June. So you need to apply for that. For assignments, you need to
Okay.
submit only semester pattern. Okay.
Okay, got it. So even if
Hello.
I have
Hello.
semester
Yeah.
pattern, I need to give examination for the yearly pattern in June 2022 for all the 6 subjects
Yes.
for both the semester, right?
Yes. June
Yes.
22.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Sir, बोलिए.
Hello, I am Kulkarni. I have taken admission for PG diploma in CFT, okay, counseling and family therapy. And this course has been started so late after July to now. Now it is started in December. Yesterday I received your material, and you are saying the March we have to put the assignment. That is the earlier date. I think this date needs to be extended because course is very vigorous.
No.
That is my first point. Second point is
Okay, sir.
we need to
What is
we need
your query? Just you can send through mail, sir.
Okay. Then second point is the course coordinator, counselor, you need to provide the phone number and details for this particular course. And it is better we should have a WhatsApp group so that there will be a communication between the course coordinator as well as the students. Second point. My third point is
Okay, sir. According to that, I will explain, sir. Third one. What is your
Third one is I have applied from Pune because from Nagpur center, and now within these 6 months my location changed from Pune to Belgaum. Can I change my address in the system, and can I appear examination in Belgaum center?
Okay, sir. I will explain. So the PGCST is one of the program. It is offered in our study center 360-434. So study center coordinator will and they will send the application to you. After that, they will conduct the offline consultations or online consultations, whatever it is. So according to headquarters guidelines, we need to follow. So for this session, we have only online consultations. So you need to get the online link through your mail ID. The coordinator will send the details through WhatsApp also. So the WhatsApp group will be created by IGNOU coordinator. So the coordinator will take the initiations and they will inform all the details through WhatsApp. That is your second doubt. And third doubt, you wanted to change your address. So that is also available. What is your new address and old address? Just you can send one mail as rsinagpur@igno.ac.in. That is our mail ID. You can send one mail to us. Please change my postal address. Just you can send it within a week. We will change the your. That is not a big task. It will be easy, and every student wanted to change their
address also, the study center also, and also you have the examination center in Belgaum. Automatically, you can apply for the government examination application. At that time, you need to enter the examination center code and regional center code. Then your candidature will be allotted to the Belgaum. So Belgaum is the examination center. Automatically, you will get it. There is no problem. So if it is not possible, then you can ask the permission for appearing the government examinations at the time of examinations. So as a candidate, you need to appear the government examinations in the Belgaum or any other place. You will approach the nearest regional center. Then they will accept your candidature with checking of your examination question paper. So the question paper is available with them. Automatically, they will allow to your candidature, and they will allow as a stray cases. So every time you have stray cases, every examinations. So 5 to 6 members may be appeared as a stray cases. That is taken place. It is not a big issue. So at the time of examinations, you need to contact the nearest regional center. Then they will allow the exams. That is not a big issue. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, I have a question regarding the same course
Okay, sir.
actually. I will continue for one moment.
One by one. Don't get confused. Just you can give the opportunity
Sir,
to
I
others.
need to prepare
After completion of that, then you can ask. Yes, madam, please.
Sir, I have applied for diploma in family counseling, but I have not received any material. I have not received any material.
Okay. So according to that, I need to give the reply. So you need to send one request mail to the Rajesh. Silence, please. You need to send one request mail to the registrar MPDD. Then they will provide the material. Registrar MPDD @igno.ac.in. That is our mail ID. Just you can send it and copy to RC Nagpur. Then we will also inquire on that and we will send to registrar MPDD. Then they will provide the material.
No,
you need not.
Here I would like to add.
Just before coming the 1 second. For hard copy of material will take some time. So you need to follow the IGNO exam course. That IGNO exam course is have the soft copy of material. That soft copy of material is available in IGNO. Download from the Play Store and after that you can download and you can follow the material and after that you will get the hard copy of material. That is not big issue. So you can send one mail to us, then we will forward and we will inquire on that. Please do that, madam.
Sir, please provide the mail address in the chat box.
Exactly.
Yes. Please provide the mail address.
Yes. Okay, madam. Okay. I am agree with that. So all the details send to on the post box or drop box. Automatically you will get it. So my assistant Rajesh will send all the details to you. So each and every component we will send it. You can note down. Okay.
And sir, how do you
Send it on the mail.
the submission dates for the assignments?
So what are submission
date of assignment?
Family counseling.
For the June government examination, you need to submit your assignments on or before 31st March. 31st March 2022. Then you can submit your assignments at your study center.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
By post or by person, there is no problem. You can send it and you will get it acknowledgement.
Okay.
And you can keep in safe side. Okay, fine.
Thank
Any
you.
more? Okay, madam. Thank you. Any more?
Hello.
Definitely, all the programs we will create a WhatsApp groups and we will send it all the information to the WhatsApp group. Then you can follow the instructions. What are the information we have sent it? Just you can interact with us through WhatsApp or mail. Then we ready to resolve your doubts, your queries. Thank you. Any more?
So WhatsApp groups would be formed by the course coordinators, is it?
Yes, coordinator will create the WhatsApp group and they will send all the information through WhatsApp. Then you need to follow the instructions. What are the information may be sent by our coordinator. Then you can follow it. You need not get it any trouble. The coordinator will have the numbers. Your phone numbers, your mail IDs with us. There is no problem. We are working in admissions in charge. So the admission section have the mobile numbers and email IDs. You need not send any mobile numbers to us. Please, just you can follow the WhatsApp group when we will send the links or information through WhatsApp. Just you can follow that. We have the numbers. We have the email address.
Sir, please can you send
Each and every group, each and every program have the WhatsApp group. WhatsApp
Sir,
group
do we need to connect to?
create itself.
Sir, we have sent the members to form a WhatsApp group.
Tell me. The coordinator will create the WhatsApp
Sir, do
group.
we need
We
to
will
connect
send
to
the
the?
mail IDs.
Okay, okay.
Tell me your
So
question
when you say
clearly. Then only
coordinator,
I
is
will
it?
give the answer.
Sir, when you say coordinator, is it the IGNOU?
Within a week, you will get the WhatsApp group.
Okay, got it.
Within a week, you will get the WhatsApp group and they will inform the information to you. Then you can follow.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good day.
Sir, I had applied for PGDRD. I got
Okay.
my study material, but I didn't got complete study material. I got one book less.
Okay. Just you can send one request mail to the Registrar MPD is a Sutra material distribution. You need to send mail Registrar MPDD@ignou.ac.in. The mail ID, just you can see. After that, you send one Registrar MPDD. Then they will provide the material. You need not worry. Before that, you need to go for the IGNOU e-Gnan course. That IGNOU e-Gnan course is have the all the material. Just you can what are the material you have not received. Just you can check with the IGNOU e-Gnan course. Then they will provided. After that, before receiving that material, you need to interact with the IGNOU e-Gnan course. Then you can download. After that, you prepare your assignments as well as your terminal examination. Then within 15 days or 20 days, you may be sent by that material to you. Please follow the IGNOU e-Gnan course. Any more? Any more questions? Registrar GA लिख लिया. ऐसा नहीं. Registrar means REGISTRA. TRAR. Registrar mpdd@igno.ac.in. That is mail ID. You need to check in the chat box, then automatically you will get it. So you send one request to the MPDD registrar. Do you have any questions or any doubts? Please ask. Otherwise, the session will be wind up. So,
Sir, I wanted to
please,
ask
1 or 2
about
minutes you can
counseling, doubts counseling. Doubts counseling, how do we get information about the doubts counseling
Yeah.
session?
Okay. I will explain. So the coordinator will create the WhatsApp groups. After that, they will send the counseling schedules to you.
Okay.
So the online counseling sessions link will be provided to you through WhatsApp or mail IDs. Then you can interact with them. Then you can try to ask your doubt at the time of online counseling session. If you are not able to receive, then you can send one request mail to us sinapur@igno.ac.in. Then we will also give the reply and we will also send the online link to you for online counseling sessions. And also you need to see IGNO RC website. IGNO RC website, Nagpur RC website is also available. Just you can open the IGNO website. After that, you need to go for the regional centers. After that, you can click on the regional centers site. After that, you can enter the regional centers codes, the amount of the codes. Then you need to click on that 36 or 4 is our link. Just you can click on that. The regional center website will be open. After that, the counseling schedules also available in that. What are the counseling sessions we have planned? Then that schedules will be available in the Nagpur website. So you can check that date and times and link also. That is available in the regional center website. That is also one option, and you can send mail to us. Then we will also send the link to you and the schedule also send to you. If you have any doubts, then you can send through mail or you can contact the coordinator. Automatically, you will get all the information about IGNO. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it. And also we can change the study center, right? If needed.
Changing the study center?
Can we can change the study center in between the course?
The change of study center. Otherwise, you need to contact the study center coordinator. Then they will provide all the details. There is no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Any more doubts? Hello.
Hello, sir. This is
Hello.
Apeksha. Hello. Hello.
Apeksha, tell
Hello,
me.
sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you please give some information about PG diploma in mental health, about papers and assignments? Hello.
Madam, we have insufficient of time, so you can send one mail to us. Then we will send the information to you through mail. So this is not right time. So the session will over up to 12:30. So within 4 minutes, we are unable to give the details to you. One request mail to us, rsinagpur@igno.ac.in. That is our mail ID. According to that, we will send all the information to you. Okay.
Okay. Sir, one more question. Who is the coordinator of this? Hello.
So what is the study center code? What is your study center code? Do you know?
36, sir. 36.
3600. Yes. 36 or 3600. Recently the IGNOU headquarters formed as a study center at regional center. That regional center code is 3600. 36 is the regional center code. They will add the 2 zeros. That is the regional center study center code 3600. According to that, you need to ask your doubts through mail rcnagpur@igno.ac.in. That is our mail ID. Through mail, you can send the information. You want to take up, then you can send the mail. Then we will give the full. Okay. Any more? Okay, there is no more questions. So I would like to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of Regional Center and my own behalf. So once again, I'm congratulating each and every participant for getting admission into IGNOU. So this is one of the best opportunity. This is for your introduction. So thank you each and every participant for sparing some time to interact with the regional center staff as well as coordinator and others. So induction meeting means you need to interact with the regional center staff as well as study center staff and your colleagues. Then only your aim will be success. You don't feel isolation. This is the platform. Just you need to contact your colleagues as well as regional center and study center. So I am very much thankful to you for space to interact with the induction meeting. So I'm thankful to our regional director, Dr. Sesharu, sir. Sir was briefly explained for IGNOU, and I'm very much thankful to him. And also my colleague Dr. Shish Kumar also explained some of the few points about the induction meeting, and our coordinator Nakusi also interact with. I'm very much thankful to Madam. So and other staff. Thankful to each and every participant, our staff. Thank you very much, and thank you one and all. Thank you. The session is wind up. There is no other things. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.